Alright, today we're working on a 2019 CLS 53. We're installing a Renntech Downpipe and a Renntech blow-off valve. So far we've taken off the V-band from here and the clamp on the other side there. And there's one bracket here, and there's a bracket that has two bolts on top of the water pump over down there, and you also have another two bolts in the back here. We're going to wiggle this out and we'll show you what it looks like with the other one in. Alright, now that we have it out, it's probably a little easier to explain. So you have two mounting brackets, three, sorry. You're going to have them here, one, here's the other one, and then the other one's back there. So to pull this stock cat out, it's a little bit of a fight. You got to take the front heat shields off, the upper heat shields, and then for the lower ones, when you take off this bracket, it's two bolts that hold the cat, but there's a E10 that goes right here. Unbolt it, push it down, and then you can get this here to lift up. So you got two there and two more there, and the top one only has the one. Alright, so this is it when it's all done and wrapped up. Just came back from a road test. You can definitely feel the difference.